Welcome to this tutorial on how to access Thinkorswim paper trading. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to set up and use the paper trading feature on Thinkorswim, the trading platform offered by Charles Schwab. Paper trading allows you to practice trading without risking real money. By using this feature, you can familiarize yourself with the platform and test your trading strategies. First, you need to create a Charles Schwab account if you do not already have one. Visit the Charles Schwab website and click on Open New Account. Fill out the required personal information and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, look for an email confirmation. This will contain your account details and instructions for logging in. Next, download the Thinkorswim platform. You can do this by going to the Charles Schwab website or directly to the Thinkorswim page. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows or Mac, and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open Thinkorswim and log in using your Charles Schwab account credentials. Now that you are logged in, locate the option for paper trading. This is usually found in your account settings. Enable the paper trading feature, and you will be provided with virtual funds to start practicing. You can enter trades, analyze charts, and explore all the features available, just like you would in a live trading environment. Take your time to experiment and build your confidence before transitioning to real trading. Happy practicing!